Shippo Pricing explained what you get for your money. Shippo is a shipping platform designed to simplify shipping for e-commerce businesses, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's just a label generator. The surprising truth is Shippo offers discounted shipping rates across multiple carriers, real-time tracking and automation tools that save time and money. Pricing is straightforward. There's no monthly fee for the pay-as-you-go plan, with a small transaction fee of $5 per shipping label. For higher volume users, Shippo offers subscription plans starting at per month, which reduces per label costs and unlocks additional features like batch label creation, multi-carrier support, and branded tracking pages. You won't believe how much time this saves. Automation tools and API integrations streamline workflows, allowing businesses to focus on growth instead of logistics. Most people get this wrong by only comparing label costs. Shippo's value comes from discounted rates, multi-carrier options, and integrated tracking. Even small businesses can save significantly compared to buying labels directly from carriers, especially when shipping internationally. In conclusion, Shippo Pricing is simple, transparent, and scalable. By understanding pay-as-you-go versus subscription plans, carrier options, and automation features, you go from zero to pro in calculating how much value Shippo can bring to your shipping process and budget.